Hi everyone, and welcome back for another Monday's video here on Times to Remember, where we have all things motherhood, lifestyle, and memory making for your enjoyment. This month, the month of February 2021, we are covering all things baby, and today we are talking about how to preserve your memories for your kids. For those of you that are new here, I will introduce myself and just let you know that my name is Megan. I am a wife and a mom of two, soon to be 3 in one more month. We have a little girl due in March 2021. And on our channel here, you will find a lot of content centered towards moms. But specifically this month in February is baby month. Because it's the month before I deliver my third baby, I'm covering all things baby on Mondays. If you like what you see here and you will look forward to our holiday content, more children's activities, and things centered towards moms, you can subscribe, please like, and turn the notifications on. Make sure you're part of our family here. You can always head over to my website, timestorememberco.com, where I show you plenty of free printables that you can have. All you got to do is go down to the bottom of the website where it says tips and tricks, put your email in, and we will send you everything right there. So check it out. There's a blog and there's all our social media pages linked below. Okay, so hack number 1 is take lots of footage. This may seem silly and like a simple hack, but many people do not take enough footage. When you go to actually edit your footage or have somebody edit it for you, you need 10 times more footage than you think you need. So videotape everything. Here I'm showing you, we did our nursery for our first child. I videotaped the process of the nursery. I videotaped us talking in the nursery. There are so many things that people just don't video, and when you go back and look, you're really excited to find it. Here I am talking to the camera. We're talking about the outfits we had, the people that gave us gifts, and all of this footage can either be used or not used, but it's really fantastic to make a great video. Hack number 2, take the same footage but from different angles. Here you're going to see multiple pieces of footage of my daughter in the play gym. Now this was my first baby. I had a lot of time on my hands on this maternity leave. I didn't have other children to run after, so I have a ton more footage with her than my son. However, I'm taking this same exact thing from different angles. Here she is a different day, a different outfit, a different onesie, but she's in the same thing. But when I compile this together in a video, it's much easier that I have different angles to work with. It also makes for a much better video. If you're putting together a professional video or a video that you want people to watch and be excited about, you should be changing your angle and camera angle every 1 minute during the video. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to be in the same spot for the entire footage. Think about a TV show. You very rarely have a TV show where they keep one angle the entire time for 30 minutes of the TV show. It's constantly changing and constantly keeping you engaged. Hack number 3, talk to the camera as if you're talking to a friend. A lot of people skip over this and they just film footage, and most people are not going to go over and do a voiceover. It's great if you do. But here I'm just explaining what I'm filming, what we're doing at the time, and it really makes for a much better video. Set, and over there nothing's set up yet, but our nice garden that Sal's been working on. Hack number 4, create B-roll. So B-roll is actually footage that is filler footage. It's for your title sequences, your transitions between clips. If you need filler during music, whatever it is, it really beefs up your video and gives it a lot of texture. So what you're gonna wanna do is just film things around the room. People can be talking, you don't have to ask them to be quiet because you can always turn the sound off in your video. But film the things around that you don't want to forget. Like here, I had all my sonogram pictures. This is my gender reveal party with my first baby. I had lots of things. And hack number 5 is invest in a real camera besides your iPhone. There is nothing wrong with taking video clips from your iPhone, and you will make a beautiful video. But look at the difference between this clip and this clip. You can see the black on the sides. An iPhone video is always going to film vertically like that for you, especially when you go into any type of editing program on your computer. But then when you have a regular camera, take a look here. Here we are at the game farm, and it's just a much wider, clearer picture, and you're going to capture the memories much better for the future. But again, don't be afraid to just use your iPhone footage and mix that in with other footage. If you really want to make special videos, I suggest investing in some sort of a digital camera. And my bonus hack for today is don't be afraid to splurge on professional photos for those moments that are very special. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this photo, but this was my first baby where we did not take professional maternity pictures. We tried to do it on our own. You'll notice in the next pictures when I went to professional photos, it was a much different situation. Just the lighting alone here and everything makes for a really beautiful photo, but you do capture it either way. So I would say I do maternity pictures and newborn pictures always for a professional shoot. And then every year we take our family pictures for our Christmas card, and that is our one time during the year that we take a professional family portrait. You can find very reasonable deals. People are constantly running sales. Photographers are constantly wanting to work with you. So really figure out what you want to take pictures on and when you want to do it. Pick some great outfits and go take some professional pictures. These are the pictures that line our walls in our home, and these are the ones we display all the time. If you want to see a little bit of footage that I mixed together from my daughter's first 2 months of her life to start her baptism video, take a look at this and let me know what you think.
As I'm staying close to the mirror, a lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember, place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older.
So there you have it. I had iPhone clips and digital video clips mixed together with a little bit of music to make a beautiful 2-minute video. I also want to show you that these title sequences were filmed with my own personal camera. These are not professional photos of her actual baptism dress. If you enjoyed our video today on our 5 hacks with our bonus clip to make a special home video for your kids and learn how to preserve their memories, head over to our website, timestorememberco.com. Go all the way to the top and there's a tab called Video Editing Course. When you click on that, it will take you to our page for Edit Times to Remember, which I just launched last week. You'll find virtual classes and packages where either I can make you a home video or you can learn how to do it yourself. You don't have to be super tech savvy. I walk you through everything. They're self-guided courses that you do on your own, and you have the ability to reach out to me with any questions at any time. So if you are interested, please head over to timestorememberco.com. I'll put everything in the description box below, and you can find how you can start making these memories for your family. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video on preserving your memories for your children. It's very important to think about these things. We are so busy and constantly running around, especially whether you have 1 baby or 3 babies or even more. It's important to preserve the memories for them so they can always look back and say, wow, I have my whole childhood to look at and to show my kids and my grandkids. However, next Monday, we will be back to more baby content. We are doing a Get It All Done With Me, everything before the baby comes, and helping you with your checklists for postpartum and newborn essentials. So we'll see you next week, and I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, turn your bell notifications on, and we'll see you on Monday. Thanks, everyone.